finally my work is done. How about you, Amir?
I'm also done, Haris. What about you, Wazim? Are you done?
I'm almost done.
Let's clean this place up.
I'm finally done.
Hey, Azim, where are you going?
Ah, that guy.
Hey, Haris, what should we do about Azim? He didn't clean his workplace.
I think we should complain this to Mr. Raja.
Yeah, I agree.
Come in. Haris? Amir? What's wrong? Is there a problem?
Good evening, Mr. Raja. Yes, there's something important I want to discuss. It's about the welding workshop.
Oh, what about it? Are the tools damaged or is there a safety issue?
Not exactly, sir. It's more about cleanliness, or rather the lack of it.
Lack of cleanliness. Can you state that in more detail?
Well, yesterday after our welding practical session, I noticed that the work area, especially around Azil station and another one nearby, was left messy. There was used electrode metal spare and dry welding splatter on the floor and the workbench.
So, they did not clean their workstation after class?
Yes, sir. And not only that, some of the tools were not returned to their proper places. Haris and I had to spend time cleaning and arranging everything. This morning, before we could even start our work, it took us almost 20 minutes.
"20 minutes? That's quite a waste of time." I understand your concern on it. This is not the first time we had this issue. Our workshop rules are clear. Every student is responsible for cleaning their own workstation.
Exactly, sir. I don't think it's fair that those of us who follow the rules have to clean up after others. Cleanliness and safety go hand in hand. If someone slips or gets hurt because of debris left on the floor, who would take responsibility?
You are absolutely right, Haris. Safety is our top priority. I will take this matter seriously. Thank you for reporting it. I will call Azim to get his side of the story.
Thank you, sir. We just hope some action can be done.
Okay, I think that's it. Both of you can go now. Yes, Azim. I want you to meet me at this class, AC007. Yes, right now. Right now. Please, find a seat.
Good morning. Thank you, Azim, for coming. I call you here because I received a complaint about the condition of the welding workshop yesterday, specifically about cleanliness. Haris reported that after yesterday's practical session, there were metal scraps, used electrodes, and tools left scattered around your workstation and another nearby. Azim, can you explain what happened today?
Yes sir. I admit I was in a rush yesterday. I had another appointment after class, so I forgot to clean up properly. I'm sorry sir.
Forgot, Azim, you know our workshop procedures. Cleanliness is an important part of safety. If there are metal scraps on the floor, someone could slip and fall. Dry welding splatter can be also a fire hazard. It's not just about you, it affects everyone in the workshop.
Yes sir, I understand. I really regret it. And I promise it won't happen again.
Promises alone are not enough, Azim. We need action. As a welding student, discipline in the workshop is crucial. It shows professionalism. Rules are rules, Azim. Harry suggested I take some action. What do you propose we do to resolve this issue and make sure it doesn't happen again?
I'd like to take a responsibility sir. I'll clean the entire workshop after every session for this next week. And I'll make sure my own workstation is always clean and tidy from now on.
That is a good start, Azim. But I think we can go a bit further. We should make sure this awareness spreads to everyone. What if we implement a random cleanliness inspection after each session? Any student who fails to clean their area will be responsible for cleaning the entire workshop that day.
I agree sir. I'll clean the workshop today as my punishment. And I'll make sure my station is spotless from now on. I'll also remind my friends to do the same.
Good. For today, Azim, you will clean your area and make sure all the tools are arranged properly.
And thank you, Azim. I also want you to create a simple poster about the importance of cleanliness and safety in the workshop. Put it up on the notice board as a reminder to everyone.
Yes sir, I'll get it done.
Good. I hope this serves as a lesson not only for you, Azim, but for all the students. Cleanliness and safety are shared responsibilities. I'll be monitoring this closely. If this happens again, we may have to take more serious action. Is there anything else?
I just want to apologize again sir.
Apology accepted, but make sure it doesn't happen again. You may go now.